In this video, we will review Rocket Money. Can you trust Rocket Money? Rocket Money, formerly Truebill, is a financial management app which helps users track expenses, manage subscriptions, and save them money. Rocket Money identifies all recurring subscriptions and allows users to cancel unwanted ones directly through the app. Rocket Money negotiates bills, e.g. cable internet, to lower rates on behalf of its users. Its charge fees are 40 to 60% of the savings as compensation. Rocket Money uses 256-bit encryption and partners with Play to access banking information securely. However, some users report problems with bank accounts syncing or transactions not appearing accurately. Rocket Money asks for your financial data, and some users may feel uneasy sharing sensitive financial data. Overall, Rocket Money is extremely helpful for those who want to save money. However, it may not be suited for everyone due to the cost and data access. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.